Hello, guys. Gold Sniper here from XAUUSD, and let's begin our analysis, which is for the coming week, Monday, that is 6th of August 2023. Before we begin our analysis, let's, as usual, check what analysis I made for today and how much of it panned out well. So today, for today, I had shared this on my Telegram channel and I wrote over here. Gold still remains sell on rise as dollar index is still running strong. We can attempt sell at every major resistance. Okay, sell even if price is consolidating near 1935 level. Also, we can attempt sells. News which will come in the evening from US will determine the fate of gold. Till news comes, expect gold to remain bearish. And I also wrote one thing: tomorrow, if gold breaks 1930, you can expect a big downfall as well. But the thing was, gold did break 1930, but it couldn't sustain below 1930. Okay, it immediately bounced back also. Okay, so this point partially true, but the first and second point were correct. Now we'll see how gold actually moved today, and along with that I will show you the trade which I gave in my Telegram channel. So today, if you will see, only one trade I gave, just like yesterday, because gold just gave was consolidating for most of the time actually. If you will see, only after news, it changed direction. So but here was the trade which I given. That this was around 8:23 a.m. in the morning, and I told sell gold between 1935 to 40, stop loss 1941, targets 1933, 1930, and 1925. And today, all the three targets were achieved in my first trade. Okay, so we'll begin how today went. So if you'll see today morning, yeah, this is where it started, somewhere around 3:35 a.m. Okay, gold started making highs and lows. Again, it was that consolidation game which was running. Okay, and if you will see now this is going, we'll just watch. Okay, somewhere around 8:15, 8:20 I gave my trade, so we will watch what happened during 8:20. So 8 o'clock comes somewhere around here. So you can see throughout the day gold is actually just consolidating, constant selling pressure from the top. And see, somewhere around here I had given my trade. See here, this was the entry over here. Okay, our trade. And you can see now the gold price will come down. Okay, so my first target price was 1933. Okay, here if you will see, it is almost, yeah, this spike right almost 1933 came. Okay, again gold gave a rise. Okay, a quick spike to like 1937 level. Immediately downfall came. Immediately you will see a very strong sell off will come right now. See, this is what I was talking about. So there was a lot of sellers present, and throughout the day, if you will see, it was looking like, gold will give a breakdown. Okay, the sellers, sellers constant selling was coming, but even the buyers were very adamant around this 1930 level. If you will see, continuously since yesterday, we are just trying to give breakdown below this level, but these bloody buyers are too adamant over here. Okay, and I was expecting a breakdown. Okay, a good breakdown, but that did not pan out. Like I said, it was dependent on the data. And if you'll see throughout the day, this is 4 p.m. right now. Okay, towards the beginning of American session, we had almost come till 1930, and we were consolidating near 1930. So as you can see now, the 5 p.m. started, so we are very close to American session beginning opening, which is around like 5:50 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And somewhere around here we had touched 1930 also. See, this was the when the news came. Okay, this huge spike. Okay, our TP2 and TP3 was achieved, and market flew till like 1946 or something. Yeah, and right now it is somewhere around like 1941. Okay, so now we are consolidating over here. Right? Actually, if you'll see, the data was mixed, but market has taken it positively. Okay, so that's what has happened. Okay, then gold came till like 1937 again. Now it has, it is consolidating somewhere near like 1941 levels. If you'll see right now. So this was the, if you'll see, this was the action for today so far. All right, so gold is right now somewhere around 1942, and I had shared this meme over here. If you will see, towards the end, yeah. So gold before news, we were thinking, yeah, gold is done. Today is the day to lay down gold, bury it. Okay, and in the grave. But after the news came, like I showed you this, after the news, such a bounce came. Gold just came back from the dead basically. As you can see here, gold came back from the dead. Now, I showed what happened today. Let's just even now you can see what I told you also. Okay, now we'll go what can be done for tomorrow. I will before going to tomorrow's analysis also, some things I wanted to show you what has happened today. Let's go over the dollar index first. Okay, dollar index, if you will see, has become again, has given a breakdown. Okay, on a hourly time frame. One second. If you'll see, it has given a massive breakdown right now. Okay, so we can still expect, we want to see the price action basically. It had broken above the swing high. Okay, but it gave a breakdown. We have to see where it is going to give a pullback. Okay, so the possible course of action on the dollar index, what I can think of right now, is we can expect dollar index to give a little bit pullback, at least till somewhere around here, and expect the bearishness to continue. But if there is some news which factor which comes in favor of dollar index can again go up again. But right now it is bearish. We can see a trend of dollar index has changed. Let's look at euro USD. Euro USD has bounced back 360-degree, you can see over here. Okay, so the best place I'm expecting, when the dollar index gives a pullback somewhere around this region, if you are able to catch the euro USD, you can buy again. So euro USD has again become bullish. Like this you can expect on the euro USD, if somewhere around this region, if you'll get a pullback for upside. But remember, data, it's all data dependent. So if any negative data comes, this trend can again change as well. Now let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD also same story. It is reversing. We have to, if it gives a pullback in this region, or break out and pull back over here, again you can buy. Japanese yen, if you will see, that too also has, it is coming down. It's becoming bearish right now. All right. So right now, we can say, now things are again coming in favor of gold. But gold, there is a specific thing I wanted to show you. Don't think because of this that gold has right now become bearish. Okay, I'll show you in another chart so you will understand when gold will actually become bearish. There's another way of seeing this, uh, a new type of layout which I want to show you guys. So here it is. So if you will see here, okay, I have this is the 4-hour chart of gold, and I have marked the support and resistance. In this, you can clearly see the trend of gold. I'll just mark it very clearly so you can understand. So gold first gave this breakdown from 1985, gave a pullback till almost 1980. From there, the selling came till 1940. Then gold gave a pullback till 1970. Again, sell off came, and gold fell till 1942. Gave a pullback till 1950. Again, we gave a breakdown, and right now, this, if you say, looks to me like a pullback. Okay, very honestly, either now our so you can see right now, this is, price action is totally bearish. Okay, in if you see this chart on the 4 hours. Okay, now there are two possibilities. Since it is bearish, okay, for gold to become bullish, I want gold to close above this level 1955. Something of this sort I want to see after like this pullback. Okay, if let's say gold gives a pullback, or maybe gives a breakout above here, gives a pullback, and it starts moving up, then the trend will truly reverse. So for trend to reverse, price needs to form a price action like this above 1955 level. Okay, only then we can say that the trend has reversed. Okay, not just I will say, not just 1955 major level is like 1955, and this 1970 level also, I will say. But still consider 1955. Okay, for ease, for the sake of ease, we will say, if gold closes and forms a price action above 1955, it becomes bullish. Otherwise, like I showed you, the price action is bearish. So you can short here also, but we need to see the DXY is supporting us or not. Okay, so we can short here also. Or if let's say gold decides to give a breakout till here also, this area also you can short. So if gold goes above here, then it becomes bullish. So below 1955, I'll still hold my view that gold is bearish, not bullish. This, don't think because of this one move gold has become bullish. Okay, we can play on the buy side, but remember, on the longer hourly time frame, it is still bearish. Okay, so that's my view on gold. Now, this was on the hourly time frame. Let's just look at what we can do now intraday. Okay, intraday, we'll use the other chart. So on the intraday basis, if you will see, now since gold has given this sort of up move, and DXY is also supporting, so we can be on the buy side. But we have to be careful around 1955 level. We can expect reversals from that region. So gold right now made a low of like 1925 and made a high right now around like 1946. Okay, so if we want to re-enter on the buy side of this trade, okay, any all this price area that is from 1938 to like 1933, this region will be our buy zone. Okay, at the same time, okay, we are also, like I said, we are data dependent and we are looking at the DXY as well. If DXY is positive, dollar index is positive, we will enter to play the buy trade. Okay, okay, and but somewhere around, like I told you, 1950 to 55 is the major resistance over here. So if you will from a bearish perspective, if you will see, and if I draw the Fibonacci from the high to the low over here right now. Okay, yeah. Okay. So from the high to the low, if I will draw the Fibonacci, you will see that ironically, gold has taken the resistance around 1943 to 46 level, which is Fibonacci 0.618 level. Okay, so you can see the importance of this level. Even if, let's say, gold goes about here, understand maximum a price. For a trend to continue, price can form like a double top or a double bottom. So this, as long as 1955 is not broken, we can expect this downtrend to continue. All right. So tomorrow, like I said, if DXY is bullish, we will look on the buy side. But if DXY is bearish, okay, or some news factors come bearish, then remember these levels which I told you. So and I told you the long term perspective also, short term perspective also, and I showed you all the currency pairs also, whether they are bullish or bearish. Okay, so whatever I said right now, a detailed and more summarized version of it, I will share it either today or tomorrow in my Telegram channel. All right, so video only I'm uploading right now. So if you're liking my video, please do like, share and subscribe my video. Okay, when you like my video, my video is able to reach out to more people, and so we can help out more people as well. So that's all I want to say. Thank you and have a great day then.